Hi, everyone. Today we're going to look at a simple math problem that confuses a lot of people. Some people make this mistake. They start with 3 minus 3, which is 0, then multiply by 3, get 0, then subtract 3 and get negative 3. That is wrong. Other people will say 3 minus 3 is 0. Then they'll do 0 times 3 minus 3, which becomes 0, and then 0 times 0 is 0. That is also wrong. So what's the correct way? Let me show you how to solve this step by step using the correct order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. Now remember, PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division are on the same level, and addition and subtraction are also on the same level. You always move from left to right. So let's take our expression. We have 3 minus 3 times 3 minus 3. According to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So we do 3 times 3 first. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now bring everything else down. 3 minus 9 minus 3. Now we're left with subtraction only, so we move from left to right. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this explanation, take a quick second to subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content, and I appreciate every single one of you. All right, let's continue. We now have 3 minus 9. To understand this better, let's use a number line. Start at 3. Now we subtract 9, which means we move 9 steps to the left. We land at negative 6. So 3 minus 9 equals negative 6. Now bring down the minus 3. We now have negative 6 minus 3. We land at negative 9. So the final answer is negative 9. Now, let's also understand this using a real-life example. Imagine you have $3, but you need to pay someone $9. You give them your $3, but you still owe $6. That's why you're at negative 6. Now imagine they charge you an extra $3 as interest. So now your debt increases. Negative 6 minus 3 gives you negative 9. That means you owe $9 in total. And that's why the correct answer is negative 9, not 0, and not negative 3. So always remember, follow PEMDAS, do multiplication before subtraction, and go step by step from left to right. If this helped you understand better, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who struggles with math, and subscribe for more simple explanations like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.